How to review website permissions in Chrome on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to check and manage what each website is allowed to access in your browser. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, click on the three dots at the top right to open the Chrome menu. At this point, click on Settings. From there, click on Privacy and Security from the left side panel. After that, click on Site Settings to open the full permissions overview. In the next step, you will see a list of all permission categories, such as location, camera, microphone, notifications, and pop-ups. From there, click on any category to see which specific websites have been granted or blocked for that permission. Once done, review the allowed and blocked sections within each category to see exactly what access each site has. Following this, if you want to revoke a permission for a specific site, click on that site's name within the list. From here, click on the drop-down next to the relevant permission and select Block or Ask to change its access level. At this stage, if you want to review all permissions for one specific website at once, go back to the address bar and visit that website directly. After this, click on the lock or info icon at the left side of the address bar, then click on Site Settings to see every permission that site currently has in one place. Keep in mind, regularly reviewing site permissions is a good security habit, as some websites may have been granted access that you no longer want them to have, especially for sensitive permissions like location or camera. Finally, go back to Site Settings and confirm all your website permissions are set according to your preferences. And that's it! If this guide helped you review website permissions in Chrome, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.